In question 5, we need to use our sum and difference formulas to determine the exact value of the following angles. Please make sure that you know your sum and difference formulas, that sine of alpha plus or minus beta is sine alpha times cosine beta plus or minus cosine alpha sine beta, and that cosine of alpha plus or minus beta equals cosine alpha cosine beta minus or plus sine alpha sine beta. Now let's look at these. For the first one, we have sine of 75. Sine of 75 can be broken down into sine of 40 degrees, or no, not 40 degrees, 45 degrees, plus 30 degrees. The reason I use those two numbers is because if I go to my unit circle, I have both 30 and 45 on the unit circle. And we want to break it down into numbers that exist on our unit circle somewhere. Now I can use my formula. I realize that this is sine 45 cosine 30 plus, because we have a plus here, we're going to do the alpha plus beta, which gives me a plus in between these two terms, cosine 45 sine 30. If I go to my unit circle, I see that cosine of 30 is rad 3 over 2 and sine of 30 is 1/2. So cosine 30 is rad 3 over 2. Sine of 30 equals 1/2. Then cosine of 45 is rad 2 over 2. And sine of 45 is also rad 2 over 2. Going back here then, I can plug these numbers in. Sine of 45 is rad 2 over 2. Cosine of 30 is rad 3 over 2. Cosine of 45 is rad 2 over 2, and sine of 30 is 1/2. I multiply through, I get rad 6 over 2 plus rad 2 over 2, which just gives me rad 6 plus rad 2 all over 2. The rad 6 plus rad 2 do not simplify together, and so this is my final answer.